between the Filipinos and the Americans erupted on 17 February. To the need for wider grounds, the Academy moved to its present site at Fort Del Pilar in Luang.
Environmental policies for sustainable development. Guest of honor and speaker, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Uniting the nation and delivering a brighter future for the people.
Visayan, Ilocano, and Cordillera. Many are cold, but only few.
Cadet First Class Ilumba is awarded the academic distinction of Magna Cum Laude.
For others. Bless each graduate with a spirit of commitment.
Our class has been commonly known as the pandemic days.
Na itinalaga sa kasungkulan bilang
sa pagpamali ninyo sa kanila, alam kong dala-dala ninyo ang tatlo ng bagong sinag na akma ninyo ipinangalan sa inyong halay. The race
Represents a solid procession of cadets, flag,
pala eh. Kasi mamaya. Simulot. Dito po. Dito po.